In this video, I will guide you on how to copy formatting in Excel. Here, I want these job title cells to have the same formatting as the full name cell. Here's how to do it. Click on the cell with the original formatting. Then, on the Home tab, click on Format Painter, and next, click on the cell you want to apply the formatting to. If you want to copy the formatting to multiple cells at once, click on the cell with the original formatting, then select Format Painter on the Home tab. After that, hold down the Shift key and select all the cells you want to format. The same method applies to columns. And that's how you can copy formatting to the desired cells. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below, or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.